So this exercise is on selective color correction. So click open and then choose this file, color correction file. So open. Now this is our image. What we want to do is we want to change the pink color to a different color. Okay, so what I want to just do is click on my layer and then bring it here or to this and duplicate the layer, so I have a duplicate which I can fall back to in case something happens. So I'm just going to select the layer, that's the duplicate, then go to image, adjustments, and then select, sorry, not selective color, replace color. Okay, replace color. Perfect. So I'm just going to come here, click here, then sample the color, sample this color, sample it properly. Let's sample here, let's see. Yeah, this will do, and then click OK, and then come to the result, and now we can change the result. So let's change it to green. Okay, you can change it to green and click OK. Now we can play with the saturation a bit, maybe make it less saturated. Okay, then maybe the lightness a bit. Okay, and basically I think we are good to go. So click OK. Now we've changed our color from this color to this color. Okay, we can see that even this part of the image, got changed, right? It got affected, and there's a way to fix this, but it's a bit advanced for this level. We're going to learn how to use masks to fix issues like this in the module on masks. So just stay tuned. And with this, we've come to the end of this exercise on selective color correction, okay, or selective color change. So I'm just going to save this to Control S, and then I'm going to select this to copy the color, or rather the name, and then change this 2 to 3, and then selective color change. Selective color change. Perfect, and then hit save. So all these project files will be made available to you for download, so you can go in and see for yourself in case you're having difficulties, in case you want to see the layers for yourself. So that'll be it for this video, and see you in the next one. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.